Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And what was I going to say? Oh, and join the Patreon. You can join the Patreon at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'm going to start including the book because when you join the Patreon, it's basically the same thing. So you have some sort of physical copy of like how to use everything. Right. So on Amazon, I currently do sell it on Amazon for $100. Right. But if you join the Patreon, I'm going to be just giving it to you guys essentially for free. Right. Because, I mean, not really a lot of people. Right. And Amazon, I actually have it for $99. Right. Which is, a lot. I don't actually do this, right? I don't actually do this $42.96. This discount, Amazon does this for some reason. And I guess they like the book. So they're doing it for me. And they're the ones who actually dropped the price, right? Because I actually have this book at $100, but Amazon put on a discount, right? So if you guys join, right, not only are you guys able to, on the Patreon have the, what is it called? All the chats and stuff and all the strategies, but you guys also will have that physical copy of how to use everything. So I will be dropping that PDF in the Patreon, right, for everybody, and that's $100, bro. So it's just for YouTube, right? I'm not gonna do it for anything else because nobody really watches my YouTube, right? I mean, there's like 50 people that see my video. So if you guys see this video and you guys join the Patreon, I'm gonna start including it. I'm gonna start including that physical book, the copy of how to use everything, in the Patreon itself, right? So cool. SPX. Well, not SPX, but let's go to SPX. I like looking at that ticker a little bit better. SPX is getting ready to push. It is looking like we are going to get ready to push to 5523. And again, you guys know that my ultimate target is up here at this midpoint, this mid-trend here, right? Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. And I did tell you guys, right, that I saw two things. When we were here, I'm like, we're going to do either this, right, straight shot up. We're going to go halfway to midpoint, which is where we are now, retest, right, and then shoot up, right? I said we're gonna do those things, right? Or we can actually go down to retest and then drop from here, depending on how bearish we are, right? So that was my scenario, and it looks like we're gonna just push up straight to the upside, right? Because on the hour, you are gonna close bullish in about 36 minutes. I don't know. Actually, do we have any news? Do we have any news today? Oh, we do have news. Actually, like in 5 minutes. So we have retail sales and core retail. So this shouldn't have too much of an impact. I think this might impact like Shopify and Amazon and stuff. But it shouldn't have to. I don't think it'll have too much of an impact on anything else. But yeah, very, very bullish still on the SPY. You guys know that my ultimate target is up here at 5524. I think SPY is going to get there, right? And then for QQQ, yeah, QQQ already hit target, right? QQQ already hit target. I think I put it in the video, I think, like a couple days ago, maybe last week, right? Straight shot up. So as of right now, I do think QQQ has topped, but I think QQQ, because SPY still has a little bit more to go, I do think it can go a little bit higher before dropping again. And then SPY will actually drop to like mid-channel or something. But again, QQQ has already hit target, which is great. So I don't really need to do too much QA, right? Because I really don't think that I need it. SPY is still going to go up. SPX is still going to that mid-trend to like 550 or something. Right. I will give you guys a little bit of sauce here, right? Tesla is about to close the monthly bull trigger, right, in 10 days, right? Last time I did that, you went from lows of $100 to 285, right? And that's between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's in 7 months, right? So again, I would expect this almost a similar move to happen within the next 6 months, 7 months. And again, the monthly is more for longer term. And currently, right now, I am in Disney, right? I'm not gonna say what the strategy is that I got in there, but I am looking for these targets here. Major ultimate target is 105, but we're gonna see some resistance at 104 and 105.12. But again, I am looking at Disney right now. It does look like it's gonna pump to the upside, right? I do think it's gonna run. And another one that's a really good entry today is going to be Snow for a couple of, maybe like a month out, right? I do think Snow is headed all the way back. Oh, wait, Snow actually has. Ooh, I did not know that. I think so. His first target is actually 135. I did not actually see Snow. How did that? Snow. Actually, Snow has a little bit of. Snow has a little bit of resistance. Actually, that does have. There we go. Oh, that's weird. I actually thought Snow had a clean shot to 162, but actually there's a couple points of resistance here. So Snow, I think, is going to 135. I think for sure it's gonna go to 135, and then maybe if it breaks more to 146. But I think it's gonna run, right. 2 weeks gonna close today probably, or actually already closed. So Snow is actually a really good entry, and it really likes those 2 week closes or those 2 day closes a lot. Tends to run one from 148 to 170, 142 to 165, 139 to fucking Jesus to 202. So it does like running 143 to like 20-30 bucks from these lows, right? So I'd put it at like 125 to like 146 would probably be my major target, and then ultimate target would be these two green horizontal lines up here. But yeah, that's basically it. DXY also closed the weekly bull trigger. I do think I do think DXY and the dollar is extremely bullish, and it is headed back to like a 107 212, right? And that ultimately is gonna what? It's gonna hurt gold. It's gonna hurt crypto. You know, you guys already know that I think Bitcoin's gonna crash down to like a 52K, right? As of right now, as of where we stand. Same thing for gold. I think gold's gonna crash down somewhere to like a 2150, 2190. But yeah, I think Bitcoin's done, right? That's my personal opinion. I think Bitcoin's done. You already have a double top here, and on the monthly, you already have the monthly bear trigger that's gonna close, right? And last time that happened, you dropped 50%, and then this one 80% on that drop. So yeah, I'm not too bullish on Bitcoin anymore. But yeah, SPX, right? Very, very simple day today. I do think that we are headed towards, like, what is this, 550, like this mid trend here, like 550 SPX. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.